Girl 11 is shot dead by her dad while mom was cooking before he turned the gun on himself in murder-suicide. A girl battling terminal cancer was shot dead by her father, after which he turned the gun on himself in a murder-suicide. Angela NG 11, who was undergoing chemo, was killed by her father Kenbian Angel NG on Monday, August 10. The child's mother was in the house making breakfast when the apparent murder-suicide took place inside their family home in Davie, Florida. The girl died on the spot, but her father was taken to the hospital where he died later. When police arrived, they had spoken to a female who had heard gunshots coming from one of the rooms. Davie Police spokesman Lieutenant Mark Leon said Angela had been diagnosed with femur cancer and was scheduled for a leg amputation later this month. Dr. Kenneth J. Docker, a senior consultant for the Hospice Foundation of America, suspects the father may have wanted to take both of them out of their misery, NBC reports. Speaking of the girl's illness, Davie Police spokesman Lieutenant Mark Leon said it was a devastating terminal illness. She was not going to get any better. It is such a tragic situation, a terrible situation. The mother told police she was in the kitchen when she heard shots ring out in another room. Neighbor Kenton Wells, 88, who lives next door to the family, told The Sun he saw and heard the mother let out a scream from hell on the street. I saw the mother come down from the street past my house, and when she got there, about 50 feet from there, she let out a scream that you could hear, he said. It sounded like a scream from hell. My daughter died in a car accident. She's been dead 30 years, so I feel for the mother because I know what she's going through. It brought back a lot of memories.